And you're here with us every single Wednesday,
Yes.
Lucy, in the kitchen. We love when you're here because
Thank
you
you.
always give us something really good and tasty. And what do we have today?
Today we are working on our Greek chicken kebabs. Kebabs are kind of something that a lot of people like to do during the summer, and I know my parents made them growing up and they were always really, really yummy. And so today we're kind of just jazzing it up with kind of a Greek flair.
Okay.
So all we did with our chicken, Chastity and I got it marinating, so I'll just mix it up. We started with 1.5 pounds of chicken tenders.
Okay.
That'll be really easy to handle, to just cut them up and put them on the grill. So I cut those up, and then I added a couple tablespoons of olive oil, and then we did the zest and juice of a lemon and an orange. And then we added some fresh garlic, some fresh thyme, and a little bit of dried dill and salt and pepper. So I just mentioned this is a super flavorful marinade. So if you just have, 30 minutes to no more than 2 hours just to let it sit, then it's going to be, all these flavors are going to get into the chicken, and it's going to be really delicious on the grill. So that's ready. That's ready for our skewers.
Okay.
And then I thought we could go ahead and mix up our sauce. So like I said, these are Greek kebabs, and Spiro, my husband, is obviously of Greek descent, Spiro
Right.
Charigatis.
Right.
Everybody says, what is that name? It's Greek. And he's born and raised in Alabama, but of course his ancestors are from Greece. And we went to Greece on our honeymoon, which is such a beautiful country, and I love the people there, and I love the food. And I just, really got inspired. I can't wait to go back again. But they always served, a tzatziki sauce, of course, which is the yogurt cucumber sauce. But they also have a feta cheese sauce. So, and it's really, really flavorful. So if you don't like feta cheese, don't make this. But, so we're just going to start with
Kind of a key ingredient.
Kind of a key ingredient.
Gotcha.
But it's going to be really good when we pull our chicken off the grill, and, it's going to be hot, and then we have a little bit of sauce with it, and the sauce is, going to kind of melt over the chicken. It's going to be really good. So I'm just going to start out with 1 little cup of plain Greek yogurt. It's about 3/4 of a cup. And then I have 4 ounces of plain crumbled feta, and I just bought the block today, but of course you can buy it already crumbled up. And yeah,
is there any sort of grocery chain you recommend where people can pick this stuff up? I can't think of one off the top of my head.
I do. Greer.
Greer's, of course.
Yes.
Yes, of
and
course.
they're all
Greer's,
over the
yes.
place on every corner, it seems like. We have 30 stores.
30,
And
wow.
Yep. 30 stores, Alabama, Mississippi, and 3 in Florida. And our website, Greers.com, has all the locations, and we also post our ads every week. And almost half of our stores now are doing online shopping.
And you've mentioned that, and you talk about how convenient that is, that you can do the shopping from a computer or an app, and you can pull right up to the store, and there it is, ready to go. And if you buy something that needs to be refrigerated, they keep it cool until it's time to come out to your car.
Exactly. All the groceries are stored at proper temperatures, so everything is ready to go, and it is such a huge time saver, and so many people have really enjoyed the service, and it's totally free. It's just a service that we're trying to do to make things easier for people, and just help our customers out. And we're just looking at some reporting, and I'm actually our best customer.
You use it constantly?
I use it constantly.
Nice. So it's like drive-through grocery shopping in a way.
It is. It's so nice. And one thing that a lot of people have said is that they love coming in our stores because they love our people. Well, the good thing is somebody still brings out your groceries,
Right.
so you still get the personal interaction with our wonderful associates. You can either call or text when you get there, and then somebody brings it out. So you still get to see, your favorite Greer's associates. You just,
can
don't
just stay
have
in
to.
the convenience of your vehicle.
You just can stay in the convenience of your vehicle. Rain in. You don't have to get the kids out. And a lot of people, thought, oh, well, it's just going to be, for young mothers or young fathers with kids, but that's really not the case. Yes, that's a huge portion of the customers, but a lot of older people that just don't want to get out, through the parking lot and walk through the whole store.
The hassle of going through aisle after aisle.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it's really been a good thing for all age groups, and I would love for everybody to try it. Greers.com/shop. It'll show you all the locations that have free curbside pickup, and we also have several several locations that have delivery options.
Oh, wow. So
Yep.
then you don't even have to leave your
Yeah,
home,
then you don't
which
have
is
to leave your
also
home.
great. Now, when we come back to our third segment, we're going to finish all this up, right, Lucy?
Yeah, we're going to skewer up the chicken and the vegetables. We're going to season up the vegetables and have a few tips on really the best way to make sure everything's cooked properly.
Fantastic. We will check in with Lucy. Of course, you know you can get all of the great locations on Greer's, and we will have more Studio 10 for you after you see this.